ako si Mr. Tonda. Palapakan po natin, Mr. Mariano Cabugos.
The honorable members of the 9th City Council, department heads, unit heads, to the credible members of the Board of Judges, to the members of the technical working group of this event, guests, participants, a pleasant good afternoon. Headed by our beautiful, kind, and very able mayor, to conceptualize an activity that will recognize and give importance to the role of tricycle operators and drivers in the development of our city. Before this happened, the guidance and directive of the city mayor, we have launched endeavors that will strengthen the image of our Toda unit Negro, such as that project. For this year's festival, we have decided to create an avenue for our bicycle drivers and operators to be included and to participate in our festival events. In recognition to their hard work and contribution to the 2024 Ako si Mr. Toda competition came into being. As such, we would like to thank Mayor Myla for her all-out support for the Tuguegarao Toda and for giving them the chance to experience how it is to be in the center stage and limelight during our festivities. In addition, we would like to thank our sponsors, especially SM Tuguegarao City, for allowing us to conduct this event here at the mall in Trio. Likewise, we say thank you for all the Toda presidents and to your dear supporters for helping us organize the first ever 2024 Ako si Mr. Toda. To all of us who are here today, sit back and relax while you witness our contestants showcasing their talents. Let us all enjoy the show. Once again, good afternoon.
Palapakan natin, ladies and gentlemen, our honorables to Mr. Mariano Cabugos. Thank you so much, sir. Siya po ang program manager natin. Of course, ako si Mr. Todo. So for the information of everyone, para po sa alikalaman, ito po ang kauna-unahang pagkakataon. If I'm not mistaken, last time po the girls naman po, and now boys naman po nabigyan ng opportunity. So maraming salamat, of course, Mayor Myla. And I just want to acknowledge our heads and unit heads, of course, ng ating city government. Maraming sa palapakan po natin sila, ladies and gentlemen. Everyone listens to give us a
Maraming salamat, friends, sa magiging natin susunod na Vice Mayor. Babalik na Vice Mayor ang nangyari. Lumabas na sa kailangan ng Team Green. Of course, the former President of the Toda, during my term as Mayor, now APC President, Councilor Ray Ramirez, to the Honorable Councilor Royal Office Museum Nas, of course the department heads, the Chief of Staff of Mayor Martin, Secretary Reds, and the employees of the city government, all the presidents, the POSO, Public Safety Office at the Igorao City, the BPLO Chief, the PRE, officers and employees, the participants, and of course their supporters, bicycle drivers, and the manager of SM Sumart, SM City Igorao, si Miss Ems. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Dito rin pala si Engineer magiging konsya ng inyong katangihan. At sinatawag ko na natindahan. Nagawag ngayon sa Paraguay. Si John Escobar pala. O sa siya nagdala dito sa iyo sa ating organisasyon ng first of all, I would like to extend the gratitude of the Mayor to SMCP for supporting this project. I'm here because I was sent by the Mayor Mones to speak in her behalf. At alam niyo si Mayor, ganyan-ganyan lang siya. Pero I believe, napakagaling niya. I must admit that she's better than I when I was the Mayor. Because you know, during my term as Mayor, our activity is only good for 7 to 8 days. Nowadays, we do 2 weeks na from August 1 to August 16. And you know, she keeps on expanding in participating events in the celebration of our city fiesta or our Macronal city fiesta. You can now feel before you want to have a few activities, but she wanted me to, of course, allow the participation of each and every sector. Kagabi, kahapon, kagabi, senior citizens. Ngayon, todo naman. Itong activity na ito ay nagpapatunay kung paano namimigyan ng kahalagahan ang sektor ng Tricycle Operators and Drivers Association dahil ang TODA is an integral part of the community of the Igorao City. Most often than not, during the times that Igorao was like this, the means of livelihood of the Igoroanos is through getting income derived from bicycle operations. So I still remember, natatandaan ko pa na at the time, yung bata ako, yung tricycle, may mga boundary. So yung mga tricycle driver, yung mga pamilya ko dito sa Igorao, yung mga may kaya sa buhay, bumibili ng tricycle, 3, 4, 5. Tapos, pinapahulugan sa tricycle driver. So, yung boundary on, hanggang mabayaran. So, at doon po nag-umpisa ang Igorao na makilala as tricycle city. Pero at this point in time, bakit si Mayor Myla gusto niya i-involve ang TODA? Dahil kagaya ng sinasabi ng Renz na yung pagkakakilala sa atin na hindi maganda ay mabago. Dahil naniniwala siya na may mga nag-aabuso na pailan. Pero mas marami pa po sa ating TODA ang mas mabubuti ang doon. At ngayon nga, makikita mo sa Facebook, halos every week,
I would experience that. Napakadaming honest talaga tricycle driver dito sa Igorao.
At nagpapasalamat nga si Mayor Myla sa ating mga TODA officials dahil sa mga makita nila napapaabot yung programa ng city government. And I believe at this point in time, marami pong mga interventions na rin na ginagawa ang city government Operators and Drivers Association dahil nagbibigay na rin ng mga funding to form cooperatives in their respective quotas. Alam niyo lahat ng mga to. And I hope din sa mga tricycle drivers na present, sumama na po kayo. Para sa ganoon, balang araw, meron magtulong na makakalakisan. At sa mga nandito officials ngayon, sa mga tricycle drivers, ito po yung mga kasama nyo na nandito, yung nagtutong ng mahal sa inyo at sinusunod sa inyo. Ito yung mga gustong tumulong kayo. Kaya sana magpasip-isip po kayo. Hindi ko lang pahabaan pa yung aking pananalita. Gusto ko lang umabot sa inyo na sana tulungan niyo si Leo na may anak ang kabuhayan ng bawat tricycle operators and drivers dito sa Pilipinas. Happy Fiesta and happy Kapulunan and Festival to all. Thank you very much.
Palapakan po natin, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Randolph Serating. And it is fitting and proper po to invite, of course, Sir Randolph Kong. Punta po tayo sa first ating stage to award our certificate para po sa inyo. Pag-invite Sir Randolph to please proceed to our stage together with Sir Mariano Cabugos, the head of TRU. And I will read the content of our certificate together with once. Republic of the Philippines, Province of Cagayan to Quezon City. Certificate of appreciation will be given to Mr. Randolph Serating, the former congressman of the 3rd District of Cagayan, for being the guest of honor in the pre-pageant and talent show of Ako Si Mr. Toda 2024 at the Mall Atrium, SM City, Quezon City, Cagayan, given this 6th day of August 2024 at the Mall Atrium, SM City, Quezon City, Cagayan. Signed by our City Mayor, Honorable Magna Rosario S.D.K. and our head of TRU, Sir Mariano L. Cabugos. Palapakan po natin, ladies and gentlemen, Sir Randolph, thank you so much. And habang ina-award po natin, I just want to thank as well the General Manager of SM City, Sir Romel. Uy, maraming salamat dahil dito po natin kinanda ka activity po natin ngayon. We have the Assistant Store Manager of SM Store, Ma'am Marilyn Narag. Maraming salamat po. Palapakan po natin all admins of SM City. And a round of applause as well to the department heads of LGU to Quezon. Mega shoutout na dyan sila. I see similar faces ko. Pupunta kami doon. Maraming salamat. We have of course, ang lahat po ng bumubuo ng technical team and group ng Ako Si Mr. Toda. Palakpakan po natin sila. Ngayon pa lang congratulate po namin kayo. Prelims wala ganito na kabongga. How much more? Makita-kita po tayo sa finals. And our decoration and makikita po natin ang different formal outfits ay nanggaling po sa the one and only haligi na sa industriya. Palakpakan natin. Likas Touch by Sir Nino Catulin. Maraming salamat po. For our live stream, we have, ladies and gentlemen, and of course, our lights and sounds. And also, paki-confirm po yung mga details na sinisend mo sa akin. Maraming salamat. For our lights and sounds, we have LCD Lights and Sounds. Mega shout out, thank you so much. And our foods from Irene's Catering. And lahat po ng Toda President na nandito ngayon. And lahat ng mga katoda natin na mamasada, mga hari ng kalsada. Mega shout out. Isang hiya pa naman dyan. Happy Pabulunod Happy Festival sa ating lahat. Iba po naka-uniform pa. So I think siguro dapat awardan natin sa finals. So let's see sa grand finals kung sino yung pinaka-supportive. judges. So alamin po natin kung sino ang makakasama natin. Nasabi nga nila, judgmental. So pagkakataon na ito. I'm so excited na nakita ko ang list of judges natin. Dahil kilala na din po sila. Marami na din silang napatunayan sa ating industry, ladies and gents. First, ladies and gentlemen, it is my great pleasure to introduce you the person currently leading the College of Human Kinetics in Cagayan State University, Karen Campus. She used to be the director for social cultural affairs of CSU from 2008 to 2019. Ang tagal na. A visionary leader, founder of the Athena Performing Arts Bureau, and a Red Eagle Performing Artist when she was the university social cultural director of Cagayan State University. Also, she brought her expertise to the forefront as the director of Tuguegarao Cities, a youth festival in year 2015 and 2017 and 2019. And the province of Cagayan's Pamarane 2023 and 2024, Julie Agdao as one of the board directors. She has not only made her Philippines in China's Expo 2023 in Lenny, China. Today, we are honored to have because one of the 2024 Daman ng Langit Cagayano Awardee with the field of music, culture, and the arts in the person of Panapadunan ng Isang Revolution, Dr. Chita Cabrera Ramos! And for the recognition of everyone, Dr. Chita is the chairman of the board of judges. Panapadunan once again, Dr. Chita is in the house. And equally, this is short but very important information. Natutuwa din po ako na isa din po siya sa judge natin ngayon. Dahil po almost actually lahat po sila ay alam po talaga sa talent, sa pag-perform ng ating pong mga contestants. So ako si Mr. Donna. Equally, I just want to acknowledge our second judge. She is the professor of College of Art and Health Science, the clinical coordinator of CSB, executive and certified association for respiratory care practitioners in the Philippines. Palapahan po natin, we have Ma'am Ornasi T. Martinez! Nalawa pa namin yan. Ganyan na po ang praying natin how much more sa finance natin ang mananalig. Siyempre sa finance, ito na kasama na natin si Mayor, si Mayor ako mas kanyon. And last but not the least, para po, buuin ang bilang ng ating mga Dorado. He is one of the 2019 Parents Bawat Sayaw Diamante Award of the Philippines and the Cultural Center of the Philippines. Both are members sa Pasay City. Member of the Tuguegarao City Cultural Performing the China Athena Expo 2023 of the LGU of Tuguegarao City at Manila City, Guangzhou. People's Republic of China last September 16 to 10, I should say 20, year 2023. Cultural performer of the city of Tuguegarao during the Luzon Expo 2023 at Camp Jai, Baguio City last September 26, 2023. 2024 Dollar of the Rainbow Achievement Awardee in Cultural and the Arts City of Tuguegarao. 2024 Community Awardee of the Municipality of Piat for Dance and Choreography of the Sabali Festival. The newly appointed director of the Center for Culture and of the Arts and Dance Coordinator of the University of St. Louis. Champion, Artistic Director and Choreographer of Baguio's Festival Dances in Tuguegarao City. sa Cagayan City University Car Campus of Laredo City. Isang mga sa panapangan sa mga kulit ang Board of Justice, Ms. Rapor, Mr. Alan E. Saponte. Grabe, I know excited na po ako manalo ang ayaw sa saksihan. So, ganyan po sila po ang pinagalitan. So, hindi po sa mga talent portion ng ito. Sa mga sa panapangan, Ms. Murado! Halika na dyan sa taas. Isang ilawa naman siya mga katoda! And before we start and introduce you our Akosi Mr. Toda candidates, let's watch this audio-video presentation.
Yay!
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our candidate for Akosi Mr. Toda Interformal Attack! Applause, Mr. John Erwin C. Talabayan! From Bagay to Cagayan City. Mr. John Erwin is now playing basketball and billiards. He is 13 years as a tricycle driver.
Wow, the Hannes. Tricycle driver.
His motto in life, ang buhay ay parang pahina ng libro. Kaya pagandagin mo ang kwento mo bago mo isara ang libro. John Erwin Talabayan. And now please welcome Mr. Toda number 3, Ronnie L. Bagay from Layon Bajo to Quezon City. And now please welcome Mr. Jordan number 4! Mr. Jason Lapay from Katagaman to Cameron City. Jason Lapay is a novel listening to music. Jason Lapay is 7 years as a tricycle driver. He's a multi-nine. It's better to be alone than to have a bad companion. Let's give it up for number 4, Jason Lapay. And now may I call on Mr. Tola number 5, Mr. Jacob E. Abasan from Canaan Signal to Cameron City. He loves singing and dancing. Joviel Cabasa is 15 years as a tricycle driver. His borderline, walang maghirap sa tao ng susukitan. Number 5,